Hello, this is a self-taught 100 at making channel. This channel supports those who do not know the coding and beginners. This video aims to create an app by combining each element you need. I recommend you to study around the parts where you have questions after copying this video. Now let's use Google Material Design to create floating button for iOS with Swift. Create a new project in Xcode. Run terminal. Access the new project folder from terminal. Enter pod init to create a pod file. Run the newly created part file in the folder. Paste the code that installs the button and press the Save button. Return to terminal and type pod install to install the floating button inside the app. Close this code approach file that was open. Newly created run this workspace file. Open the view controller file. Paste the code that calls up floating button into view controller in the first line. Paste the func code for floating button setting in the bottom of view did load. This code sets the location, icon, and color of the floating button. Paste the object code into the lower part of the func you just entered, which will run when the user presses the floating button. Experimentally, when the button is pressed, the Hello World sentence is printed. Paste the code that calls up the set floating button function inside view did load. Run the app. Verify that this statement is output when the button is pressed. More information can be found in the Google Material Design Developer document. Please refer to the link for the code used in the video. Thank you.